Hey, what's up, everybody? We're back. Card Fever's back. I know it's been like a month, and sorry about that. Just been busy and nothing crazy come out except for this. I know it's been out for like 3 weeks, but tonight we're doing 2019 Topps Heritage Baseball, and well, here we go. 8 packs in a box, 72 cards, so 9 cards a pack. 1970 Topps design. Finally getting the 1970s. I've been getting this since I was about 11. And I've gotten stuff of this every year since 2006. So this is one of my favorite products to open every year. And I always know that whenever I open it, baseball season is close. I think we got 10 days now, or a week maybe, if that. I don't know. So here we go. Without further ado, let's go. I'm not guaranteeing anything. I know on the back here it says Walmart cloth stickers. I already know what those are, but get it open. Sticker plastic. Okay. Look at that, this just looks nice. 9 packs. Okay. I don't remember what 1970s top. I think it's like a gray design. Maybe it's brown cardboard looking. Okay, there we go. This is what the base looks like. Great Topps. This is like probably one of the last years that classic Topps was like really, really nice. So this card looks like, this is what the back looks like. Beautiful card. Nick Williams, Roberto Osuna, John Gray. Oh, nice card. First pack, Jonathan Schoop. Numbered maybe? No, it's just a purple chrome border insert. That number's nice. Duval Herrera, Daniel Palka. This is a Dodgers World Series insert card from Game 3. Chris Sale All-Star card. LCS insert card. Nice. Stammen, he's on my Dynasty baseball team. Heath Fillmeyer and Brad Keller, Royals Rookie Stars. 2 nice players. Matt Boyd, Tony Watson. Another one of these. Luis Urias and Jacob Nix. Maybe I get one of these per pack, I don't know. Not number though. Also 2 young studs. German Marquez. ALCS injury card. Come on, look at that. Salvador Perez. Nice. Cool. Blake Parker. Francisco Cervelli. RBI leaders in the AL. Didi Martinez, Chris Davis, Edwin. Okay, I must be getting one of these per pack. This is really cool. Xander Bogaerts. This is a news flashbacks card. They do these. They've been doing these, I think, since like 2010, 2011. This is 1970. Brad Boxberger. Blue Jays Rookie Stars. Nice. Ryan Barucki. Sean Reed Foley. Danny Jensen. The new Angel, Justin Bour. Didi. Great box so far, man. Need a Cubby card. Chris Davis, Rangers Rookie Stars, Jeffrey Springs, Jose Trevino, Matt Kepler, Jose Leclerc. Wow. Miguel Andujar, the AL Rookie of the Year. It's also a Topps All-Star Rookie card. Beautiful. Just Sean Doolittle. There you go, David Bodie. Rays Rookie Stars, Brandon Lowe and Michael Perez, Dustin Fowler. Cool. Halfway through only. Oh, a box and only halfway through. Yusmeiro Petit. Zach Eflin, sorry. Mark Trumbo. Q. Nice. Luis Severino. Man. Nice card. Jose Ramirez. This is, I think it's a what do they call these cards? New Age Performers cards? Yeah, New Age Performers. With a classic 1970s design there. Cole Hamels, Jose Martinez, another World Series highlight card. Cool, man. Get all the good young Yankees with those purple chrome border cards. Russell Martin, Nick Pivetta, Jurickson Profar, Jacob deGrom. Didn't he just win the Cy Young last year? God, gas. Look at that card. It's that nice matte purple too. JD Martinez, Josh Harrison, Frankie Montas, Francisco Montas, Paul Goldschmidt All-Star card, Irvin Santana. Moose, Chris Iannetta, David Dahl, Paul Goldschmidt, the new Cardinal. Nice, man. Look at that card. Cool. Ahmad Rosario. Hope he's had a breakout year. 2 young White Sox studs, Michael Kopech, sorry, and Caleb Frare. Jock, World Series insert, highlight card. Chazen Shreve. Alright, last pack, last chance for a clock sticker, or whatever hit. Ronald Guzman, Michael Wacha, Eduardo Nunez, Rosel Herrera, Kenta Media, another Cub, J.A. Lou Trevino, Cesar Hernandez, Cesar Hernandez, and Nelson Cruz. Cool. Alright. Great Topps Heritage box. Love the design. Good card in every pack. Man. This is one of the best baseball blaster boxes I've opened in a long time. Alright. Topps Heritage. I might do another box of this. It was so nice. $20 too. Bang for your buck is crazy. Alright. Rough and Card Fear signing off. See ya.